Hello, my name is Brian Stuive. I work with Site Precision. I mainly work with concrete contractors and then some excavators, interior contractors, plumbers, electrical companies. Anybody that's going to be doing layout can benefit from the equipment I'm going to show you. We have two different models here. The GT is geared a little more towards your commercial construction use. It's got a little more range. At range, it holds a little more accuracy, and it comes with the RC on top here. The second total station we have here is the LN series, which is geared a little more towards your residential use. It's going to limit you to about 450 foot from the total station out. So as long as you can work in that envelope, you will be good to go. If you're getting farther than that or you're getting into congested job sites, is when a lot of guys like to jump up to the GT because of the RC on top here, which for communication purposes, everything communicates Bluetooth, which has been extremely solid. But with a GT series, our tablet talks to the RC and the RC talks to the robot. So it extends its range. You can get close to 2,000 feet away from the gun when you're using the RC with the GT. Another nice feature it has with this is it's got a search feature where you can push one button and the total station will spin, find you, and lock on in 3 to 4 seconds. Instead of in the past having to joystick it in your general direction and hit search, it just eliminates that. You push one button. If you have to walk behind a pile of dirt or cement trucks, anything on site, if you just got to walk from point A to point B, there's stuff in your way, you don't need to worry about it. You can just walk over there, hit search, it'll lock right onto you. So another difference between the two systems you see here, the LN is automatic leveling. You just set it up, push a button, you're off and running. The GT is still manual leveling, but when you turn it on, your level vial pops up on a screen on the back side of the total station. We will pop up here. So you can level it right at as you go. So on this setup here, we have the RC for communication with the GT. We have our prism, which either the GT or the LN are going to lock onto the prism. That is what it's going to track. It's constantly going to be looking for this. We've got our prism pole and our bipod, which just helps steady everything up with a bipod. And both carbon fiber, and then with the 7-inch tablet, it's a very light, when you got to do a lot of layout, it's just a light setup compared to what we had in the past with a larger, heavier tablet and aluminum prism pole and bipod. It's a very easy setup to carry around the job. So those are the main components that we're going to have when doing robotic total station layout.